Welcome everybody back to the channel. Today I've got some great updates for you guys regarding the Forex Funder. So let's just get straight into today's video. Now, if you guys watched my last video, you remember that I was taking a backseat to this whole situation. The Forex Funder had stated that they're basically going to be live Tuesday, March 12th. And I said I wasn't sure if that was going to happen because it's a large move. So I was going to wait it out. Unfortunately, they did not complete it that day. And even as of right now, they are still working on it. However, we have some good news. They said basically as a thank you for our patience through all this craziness, they're going to be giving everybody an extra 1% boost on their account, which means if you have, let's say, a 100K account and let's say you were down 1%, now you're going to be back to break even. If you are break even, you're going to be up 1%. If you're up 1%, now because of that extra 1%, your account will be up 2% in total. And not only are they giving us this as a thank you, in addition to this, they said that they're also going to be resetting any drawdown accounts, whether funded or in the challenge state. So if you were, doing your challenge and you were down 9%, this is amazing news for you. Your whole account is going to be reset. And if you are a funded trader and you were making money or you had a rough patch and so, you were losing trades, you're back to break even now. Now, what I don't know is if they're going to be adding the 1% boost on top of the reset or if it's going to be one or the other. That they'll decide. From what I understand, by Saturday, one of the platforms that they're working on should be live, they said, but we don't trade Saturdays unless you trade crypto. So give or take by Monday, hopefully we could be back trading. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.